In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text overlay to your video in Clipchamp, perfecting your projects with just the right touch of style and information. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to click on Sign In, prominently displayed on the home page. For ease, you can continue by selecting the Continue with Microsoft option, and from there simply select your Microsoft account from the list provided. Once you're logged in and on the Clipchamp homepage, you're going to start a new video project. Look for the Create a New Video button and give it a click to open up your blank canvas of possibility. With a new project launched, it's time to bring in the media you want to edit. Click on Import Media and then drag and drop your chosen video into the timeline. This makes it easy to get your footage ready for some creative overlay work. Now that your video is in place, it's time to add some text. Start by navigating to the Text tab in the Clipchamp editor. Here, you'll find a variety of text styles designed to suit any look you're going for. To see all the available options, click on Text Styles, See All, and you're sure to find something that fits your vision. Once you've spotted the perfect text style, select it and drag it onto your timeline, positioning it perfectly over your video. At this point, your text will appear in the preview area and you can customize it to your heart's content. You have the freedom to change the font, ensuring the style suits your message and matches your brand's tone. Don't stop there, adjust the font size to make sure your text is clear and readable, yet not overpowering the visual story your video tells. This customization allows you to fine-tune the details that make your video unique. And there you have it, you've successfully added a text overlay to your video using Clipchamp. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your video but also mastered a valuable editing skill that can be applied to countless creative projects. Whether it's for work presentations, personal vlogs or artistic portfolios, this skill is sure to make your projects stand out with that extra professional touch. So explore, experiment and have fun making your videos informative and visually stunning. Thanks for joining me today.